Alright, so we got the beets. Just dumped out the rabbit poo. I'm gonna rake it in. And then I'm going to use the shovel to turn the soil again and then put the beets in. Hot rusty. Good news, I've got a phone on the way. So no more trying to deal with the broken phones. And then not having any signal out here in the middle of nowhere. So happy about this. Also, a new phone number that my soon-to-be ex-husband won't have. I didn't go into hiding. I just don't want him to know where I'm at. You know, for safety reasons. Got a dragon fruit, a yellow dragon fruit yesterday. And I saved a slice of it to start new seeds like I did back at the other house. Looking forward to that. Oh, I forgot. I was going to do that seed drawing yesterday. I'll do it today. And we'll figure out what kind of pepper we'll start as our first pepper here on this homestead. We got to get some grow bags to put them in. I think I must do an Amazon wish list. I got to make a whole new Amazon account because his stuff is locked into mine, even though it says my name on it. But he can have it. Whatever. I don't care. Man, these no-see-ums hurt something bad. What? Are you helping, sir? Yeah? Is that where you want the pepper to go? What's in there? What is it? Yeah? I should take you guys over there to the passion flowers. There's some pretty decent sized fruits. They look like they'll be ripe soon. Good boy. Oh, bless him. It's not like I just gave you a bath yesterday or anything. Huh, Woodle. Huh, Woodle. Darn it. All these no-see-ums. Trying to get them to get some perithium. I think that's how you say it. Spray all over the yard. Help cut back on some of these bugs. But all the beets are planted. It looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm not worried about watering them at the moment. Hopefully we'll be able to harvest these before the last farmer's market. The radishes, those were some old seeds and they don't seem like they're coming up, so maybe I need to order some more. Work on that other plot tomorrow. Come on, bud. Let's go check out the passion flowers. I'm kind of excited about the new phone. Getting an iPhone. It's supposed to be so much better for video editing and stuff. Size of some of these fruits up here. It's kind of hard to see where this is pointing. There's even bigger ones down here I found. And they just thought it was a weed. Look at the size of those ones. Come on, bud, let's go across here. This is the greenhouse that he's building. Can't wait to get a job here. Oh, there's a daddy long legs. Look at that. Does anyone know what this is? Alright. The Rusty Buddy. I'll show you guys what the front of this phone looks like whenever the other phone gets here. I don't know what was in that barrel that he brought home from the auction, but killed the plants there. Still got to edit the butchering video from yesterday. Hey, turkeys. There's the baby turkey. There's the black ducks. They should be old enough to lay soon. Oh my gosh, the bugs are in my eyes. It's so bad. Alright, gotta go inside, take a shower. I was just playing in rabbit poop. Well, not playing in it, gardening in it. Oh my gosh. Don't you hate it when you get bugs in your eyeballs?